In this video, you will learn how to add friends on Monopoly Go using a link. To add friends on Monopoly Go using a link, follow these simple steps. Launch the Monopoly Go app on your phone. On the main screen, look for the Friends or Social tab, which is typically located in the bottom of the navigation or menu page. Once you're there, click on the Social thing to invite friends, or invite via link. This will generate a special invitation link just for you. When you tap on Invite Friends, you will be given a copy of the link or directly shared via email, SMS, or any messaging app. Copy the link or send it to your friends using your preferred method. After that, your friend will need to click on the link you've just sent them, then open the game. This will allow them to join you in your friends list on the game. Once they have accepted your invite, you can both start playing together on Monopoly Go. After your friend joins, you should be able to see them in the friends section and you can challenge them to a game or play together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.